Hi kids! Today we're going to learn words starting from letter C. C for cat. C for car. C for cookie. C for cow. C for cake. C for cup. C for candy. C for castle. C for camera. C for crab. C for circle. C for cloud. C for clock. C for chef. C for clap. C for costume. C for candle. C for crocodile. C for chimpanzee. C for coconut. And that's it. Do like and subscribe. Bye.